Welcome back. It's time for sports.
West Indies captain Shai Hope says that they will be looking to carry the momentum from their victorious recent T20 series against Bangladesh into their 5-match series away to New Zealand starting on Wednesday at Eden Park in Auckland. The Caribbean side swept Bangladesh 3-0 in the T20 series after losing the ODI series 2-1 to their opponents. Hope says that they're looking forward to the series against the Black Caps as they prepare for the 2026 ICC T20 World Cup, scheduled to take place in India and Sri Lanka in February.
Playing against one of the better teams in the world, as a player, you want to challenge yourself, certainly in their home conditions. And coming off that 3-0 victory that we had in Bangladesh is a great confidence booster for us as a team. So just to keep challenging ourselves and testing ourselves to see where we are as a team, building into that World Cup. So initially it's a T20 series, but obviously it's a long tour, so it's about trying to gain that momentum. Hopefully we can get as much success as possible on this trip.
But the Barbadian is fully aware they'll be facing different conditions to those they experienced in Bangladesh.
Slightly different conditions, maybe totally different conditions, but as we all know, it's one of the biggest things of being a professional cricketer. You got to be able to adapt to each condition you go into. So place, I'm sure the batters, even the bowlers, will be a lot happier to be playing on these surfaces.
Meanwhile, Cricket West Indies have added former New Zealand opener Martin Guptill to their coaching staff for the first 2 matches in their 5-match T20 International Series awaited the Black Caps starting on Wednesday. 39-year-old Guptill, who represented the Black Caps in 47 tests, 198 ODIs and 122 T20 internationals, will provide specialist support to the Windies for the first 2 games of the series, slated to be played at Eden Park in Auckland on Wednesday and Thursday respectively. Guptill's appointment by Cricket West Indies is aimed at acclimatizing the 2-time World Cup champions with the conditions at the venue. And the remaining 3 matches will be played at 2 different venues, Nelson on November 9 and 10 and Dunedin on November 13. Reggae boy Leon Bailey, through his foundation, has jumped to the aid of people in Black River, St. Elizabeth, following the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa. According to Bailey, who now plays for AS Roma in the Italian Serie A, this is just the start of what the foundation will be doing for the affected parishes and the people at this time.
The Leon Bailey Foundation sympathizes with the affected communities in the west of Jamaica. I have empathy, so anytime someone is hurt, it affects me. That's the type of person I am. To not have food, water, clothes, or a roof over your head, that's a feeling I can't even imagine. So I had to act quick with my foundation. We are not finished yet, as there are more parishes in urgent need of relief, and we'll continue to our path.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.